was no biggie.
Ooh, here everybody! I want all of you to have this cookie! My mommy made it.
Oh, really? We couldn't take that. Yeah, it's too big.
But I want you to.
Then we'll each take a piece.
Wow!
Thanks, Willis.
Yummy!
Get back to the clubhouse now. See you next time.
I knew I could count on my little friends. Excuse me.
Wow, a big adventure like that deserves a big celebration. Come on, let's all do the hot dog dance.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot diggity dog. Now we got ears inside for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot diggity dog.
Thanks for helping us do Willie's chores today. I sure had fun, and I hope you did too. And thanks for doing the hot dog dance. Yeah! What a hot dog day!
Hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog, hot dog.
Hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans. So one more now from Mickey Mouse.
In the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Aw, thanks for stopping by.
Bye-bye.
Say, do you remember
Bye-bye,
how many of
Mickey.
Willie's chickens we fed? That's right, 2. And how many pieces of corn did each chicken get? 5. And what's 5 plus 5?
10.
5 plus 5 is 10. We fed the
Uno,
chickens 10
dos,
pieces of corn.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes.
What about them? They're not dancing. I've got the
Yes.
cure. The imagination movers will fix it.
Yes.
And they're up next on Playhouse Disney.
It is time for tasty treats with Zephron. That's me. We'll make some very tasty eats. I'm Zephron. He's the frog. With help from you and my friends, we'll cook up fun from me and you. With stir mix, fun and snack to fix our Saturday healthy snack. This is tasty time with Zephron. Bonjour everyone. Hello. And welcome.
Hello. 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 ¿Quién tiene esa boca toda untada de cereal? ¿Quién? 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 Dígame. Diga Isabela. Mamá. ¿Mm? Dígalo. ¿Aló? ¿Con quién hablo? ¿Aló? Diga pues. Sí, diga. Dígalo. Venga, le quito este pelo que tiene enredado. Venga, le quito este pelo que tiene enredado. Ya. Dígalo. ¿Con quién hablo? ¿Aló? ¿Para mí? Ay, ay, ay. ¿Aló? Sí, Isabela. Un momento, por favor. Toma. Ah, vea, para usted. Usted la llaman mucho. Sí, la llaman mucho. ¿Quién la llama tanto? Párese, hágale. Pare esa nalga. ¿Le pesa mucho la nalga? Pare pues. Párese pues. No me vaya a cambiar el canal, porfis. 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 ¿O usted quiere cambiar el canal? ¿Ah? ¿Qué quiere? Ah, ya sé que vio. No me lo vaya a arrancar. Eso no se arranca.
Assignment accepted.
Out of this world morning of super space adventures with your Playhouse pals.
I'm seeing stars already.
Journey past the clouds in an all-new
Besos. Venga, deme un besito.
Playhouse Disney's new show.
Besos. Besos.
And travel to another
Mándale un beso a la abuelita. ¿Ah? Isabela. Mándale un beso a la abuelita. Dale, besos. Isabela. ¿Ah? Vea, no le caben los cachetes en esta cámara. Espere, no. Que no le caben los cachetes en la cámara. No le caben los cachetes en la cámara. Que no le caben los cachetes en la cámara. Le estoy diciendo.